This week's zone is pretty sweet. In fact, it's the main suite.
Ooh.
That's right. You guys will be doing the main bedroom, bathroom, and closet.
Yes.
Each team will have 7 days to complete their spaces. Well, guys, get to work. Let's make it happen.
Okay, thanks, guys.
Let's go. All right, Mitch, let's check out this main bedroom.
Here it is.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, views everywhere.
Views for days.
Week 3, Mitch.
Week 3.
Main bedroom ensuite.
One of my, probably my favorite area of the home. I really want to win it.
We have got to win, because now we have the bug.
Paint the wall black and then do some like stain grade slats. It'd be pretty tedious, but it would be pretty nice. Maybe a fireplace.
I was just gonna say, we can do a fireplace right here.
Perfect. All right, let's check out our main bathroom, Paige.
Well, I can already tell you, I already don't like this door here.
I don't like it either.
The fact that the doorway is right next to my beautiful king-size bed.
If we close that off, we've got gigantic entrance hallway where we could put a door. The tub centers up on the outside of our shower.
We could just put the closet door in the center of 2 vanities.
I like that. Holy moly, look at the size of the
This
closet.
closet is huge. We can afford to lose a couple of feet. What if we came a couple of feet out this way?
Make our bathroom bigger.
Rack it up with some beautiful lights, great cabinet
We
space.
can have all the bells and whistles in here.
And then this space that we were able to save right here, private laundry room.
Bingo.
Why not?
I like it.
Let's do this.
This is interesting, right?
Oh, the views.
Oh my
they
God.
continue. Can I tell you fresh out the gate the first thing I'm clocking?
What's that?
Same views, but it doesn't feel as open.
You want to jump right into it. What if we took the French doors from last week that were in the living room
Okay.
and we brought them over here, got rid of these windows? That would open the view up even more. And maybe that deck, we can extend across the length of the main bedroom.
Oh, a little wraparound situation.
Exactly, that way you could step out, we're adding visual square footage. Maybe we could expand the bathroom into the closet, but we could also expand the closet into the laundry room, do some custom cabinets all the way up to the ceiling. What about a stackable washer and dryer? But no doors on the closet.
See? Ha-ha!
In the bathroom, how about we move the entrance so that the door is off the hallway to the bedroom? Then, what if we made it more like a wet room? Porcelain on the back wall of the shower.
Porcelain on the wall and the floor.
How about having a urinal?
I just want you to also consider the fact that we are being judged by 2 women.
Any wife would be okay with her husband using the urinal as opposed to the toilet.
Hello, wall.
Anthony, do it for the closet.
I am.
Do it for the closet.
And I'm doing it for everybody still in the closet.
Ah!
Do it.
Come on out.
We believe in you.
Are you feeling creative?
No, it scares me when you get a red pen out.
We have a great footprint here to work with, so let's see what we can do. What if we created a little like breakfast bar area so you can make yourself coffee or you can make your partner coffee?
So are you thinking coffee bar, kind of like a hotel room?
Yeah, maybe we could add some nice coffered ceilings and a light natural paint color so that it doesn't distract from the view. Let's talk about this space. We have this beautiful hallway.
Yeah.
Why don't we switch where we enter and create sort of more of a feature?
What if we add a tub? Because there's no tub in there right now.
Well, we'll need a separate shower where we can add a nice little bench for some extra luxury and double vanities across for each other. For the closet, how about we add lots of storage and we definitely need a washer and dryer.
Are we opening closet access from the hall as well?
Do you want like we did in our own home? Do you want double access? Like maybe we open it here and we open it in the bathroom?
That's a great idea.
Just make a
You're angry!
I feel pretty good about going on to the main suite. What if we do some sort of wainscoting around here? And I'd love to do a fireplace opposite the bed.
Okay.
In the bedroom, we're keeping it simple. We're adding value with built-in features like a fireplace and wainscoting. That allows us to save our money to spend in the bathroom. Let's go check out the bathroom. So here's just super quick thoughts. Like I'd love to move that opening down to the hall. So what if we like make a bigger entrance, 2 doors or something, right in the middle, and then that sets up some symmetry with like massive shower. Maybe we bring that green from the kitchen in. like really glazed, high-end, like loads of tile. Like this wall is like, just gotta go, we gotta push into the closet. That way we can get like a toilet room somewhere in here.
That scares me. I mean, taking away closet space, is that gonna ding us?
You're not wrong for worrying about this, but our closet, rather than being this way, is this way now. How about we do mostly open shelving, but maybe one custom cabinet, and then we can bring some color and paint it all blue. Then here, I'd love a laundry room with lots of storage, and we can make it the same blue as the closet, and add a door with access to the living room.
Today I'm gonna start working on the bathroom. We have this awesome heated floor. We got the black slate tile in a nice little pattern. It's gonna look so good. What are you thinking for on the back wall with the vanities?
I think I'd like to do waterfall and vanities. So like the counter would come across and waterfall down, and over there come across and waterfall down. That way if there is splashing, the side of the vanities are protected.
We don't want to take away from our added value of this beautiful wraparound deck.
Dude, that deck went up fast.
Michelle, literally, it's
Lightning
like
speed.
one day we didn't see it, and the next day it was just like there. It's fast. It's exactly what we needed for this view.
How do you own this house with these views and not have the opportunity to step out from your bedroom and
To the world of added value.
Yes.
I walk into our main suite and a new door has appeared.
You know me, I'm full of surprises. I noticed that Anthony and Michelle added a deck on their main
Were
bedroom.
you snooping?
I walked by. So they've got access to that from their main bedroom, and I thought, hang on a second. Why don't we just have access directly to this huge entertaining space instead? You don't need a private little space off of your main. The deck that they added, it's too small to actually do anything on. So here, you can walk out here and have tons of space. It's not called stealing an idea if you take something and improve upon it.
Yep, that's for us right there. That looks good.
Oh, everybody move back. Very gentle, gentle touches.
Lyndsay and Leslie are gonna walk in here and be so wowed. This is a blind judging, but I feel like we have done all we can, and I think they'll absolutely love our bathroom. They will see how we just packed it with value.
Should we get the rug or can we do the rug now? We leaned into our hospitality experience this week, and who wouldn't want to wake up every morning and feel like they're on vacation?
There's something nice about blind judging, but there is also something nice about having somebody there because they may have questions.
Oh my God, am I seeing double or is it the twins? Lyndsay and Leslie. Guys, welcome to the block and welcome to Colorado.
It's Rocky Mountain High, baby.
I will see you back here after you've seen all 4 houses, all right?
I'm so excited to see this.
I know, I'm so ready. Okay.
Whoa.
Lyndsay, this is like a spa.
Oh my word.
Lyndsay, I'd live in my bathroom.
This is gorgeous.
This is gorgeous. I feel like I should take my shoes off.
You probably should.
This is gorgeous.
Yes.
Okay, I'm totally digging this closet.
This would be an absolute selling point.
Hands down.
For any buyer.
And Linz, I mean, a washer and dryer in your main closet, I love this. Oh, a wet bar.
Wet bar.
That's cool. I would set up an espresso machine, auto set.
Oh,
I'd be laying in bed, roll out.
Cool. Let's go check out the rest.
Wow.
The green.
Lyndsay, this color is gorgeous, and I love the wood.
Paneling, yes. Ooh.
Oh, wow.
This is cool. And a fireplace. Oh my gosh.
The fireplace, I love.
I think it's stunning. This is gorgeous. This material,
Yes.
the marble around your fireplace.
The wood paneling throughout the entire room is what the statement is here.
It is.
Holy, Lyndsay, these floors.
Gorgeous. I have to touch those. Oh yeah. That's natural stone.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I love the way that they laid this out.
Okay.
Okay.
Closet.
Pocket door, that's fun.
That is fun.
Oh, okay.
I like that they did a color. I don't know that I care so much for the open. I'd rather drawers.
I like the layout of this closet. I think it could have been used better.
Let's go see the next. Oh, wow, okay.
Wow, I like that. I love. Lyndsay,
Yeah.
the wood elements
Yes.
are gorgeous.
Yeah, this is obviously the feature.
I'm a little about how white the rest of the walls are, especially down the hall. I love this.
Yes.
The fireplace in the bathroom, phenomenal.
Plus, I love the natural materials. The wood, this honed porcelain.
Very unique vanities.
The shelves,
Yeah.
it's floating. I think that's beautiful, like the lighting.
I love the lighting.
Okay, of all the baths though, this one,
Yes.
being next to the fireplace.
Yeah.
I love that.
Agree.
Oh,
okay.
Cool. Bunch of hanging,
Yep.
you've got some shelves. I love the chandelier. I love the double doors coming in.
Agree.
I love this experience of double doors into your closet.
And over here, oh, we have shoes. I mean, that's good.
I mean, this isn't a ton of shoes,
No.
but it's shoes.
But they're, oh,
What?
but it's,
Whoa! A secret door!
oh my
Cool.
gosh. Who do you think this is? The bathroom feels like Paige and Mitch. So
Yeah.
I could see that. And she knows real estate, and cool features like this secret door do sell homes. This is a steamer.
Oh my gosh!
To have a steamer is amazing.
Awesome!
Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay.
Whoa!
I love the floors.
I gotta touch them.
I love everything. Wow.
Porcelain. I
Yeah,
like that.
Those are nice. Holy moly, look at this. Oh my God. I love everything. Our floors are the same as our walls. I'm gonna have to find a negative somewhere else because it's not in here. And then we have a bathroom, I'm assuming. Oh, a urinal, Lens.
Oh, interesting. It's very odd. I don't know that I would want to sit next to a urinal if I'm going to the bathroom.
Oh, I
They
can
smell. I'm not into the urinal.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wallpaper.
Oh, I love that. This is really a lot of storage. This is a very well done closet.
Okay, let's go see that bedroom.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
Nice, I like the windows.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, this is beautiful. Linz, look, we have ombre walls.
Wow. This paint choice is definitely setting a mood, and it's a very specific mood. I bet you this is their challenge right here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, and the pillows. That's a way to integrate it without taking up your whole design.
Yeah.
And the deck. This
Wow,
deck.
this had to have been added.
Oh, yes. It's an extension onto the main deck.
It now flows. Everybody else has ended right there. That's a huge added value.
Let's get to the judging at hand.
Everybody really added value.
We said several times we are happy we're not against you guys.
No.
Because you all did phenomenal.
The winner of Rock the Block Main Suite renovation is...
Michelle and Anthony.
Oh my God!
Oh, yes!
Yeah,
you guys!
Oh, thank you. We worked really hard. Thank you very much. We were into this week. Like, seriously into it. We were designing like we had something to prove, basically. His skill set showed up, mine showed up, and the marriage was beautiful.
The closet was the most usable with all of the storage. That back deck, I mean, there were just really good decisions throughout.
Congratulations, Michelle and Anthony. Here's your $3,000. Remember, you've got to use it in next week's space.
You guys want to buy a bench?
No.